Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. So today I'm going to start the lesson Sukoon. Sukoon sign is always found above the letter. This looks like a tiny dal. When there is a sukoon on a letter, the sound and movement of the tongue should be stopped. However, if sukoon comes on the following 5 letters that are called Qutubu Jaddin, Qaf, Tha, Ba, Jim, Dal, then there will be a bouncing sound. It's simply like you throw a ball on a wall and it bounces back on you. Like the sound hits and returns. Letters of Qalqala. Qalqala means the sound that hits and returns. These letters are called Huruf al-Qalqala. There are 5 letters of Qalqala. Again, Qaf, Tha, Ba, Jim and Dal. So while we do sukoon on these letters, we have to bounce them. Let's start our lesson, sukoon. The hamza is connecting with the hamza sukoon, hamza sakina. So it will be a jumpy sound. I, U. The next is hamza is connecting with h. You have to take a sound like I, U. The next is hamza is connecting with ayn. So the sound of a and a will merge together. A, ear, ur. Ah, ih, The hamza is connecting with ghain. Aw. Ghain is a fat letter. Aw. Smile for the next word. Ir. Ugh. Then hamza is connecting with kha. Kha is also a fat letter. Ah. Ih. Ugh. Now comes the letter of qalqala. Aqu, iqqu, uqqu. The next is kaf. Hamza and kaf connecting together. Smile. Ak. Little air in your mouth while you say kaf and ta. Ak. Ik. Uk. Again, the next letter is the letter of qalqala. Jim. A is connecting with j. So make sure that the qalqala is clear. Aj. Ij. Uj. Keep smiling and say ash, ish, ush. The next is fa, f. Don't say af. Breathe clear and take out the air in your fa. F, if, oof. The next is od. Fat letter. Al. Al. Not ad or az. It's old, ild, old. That's all for today. Keep practicing, inshallah, until you will be perfect in your citation, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.